Can you publish a book without a business entity? Who can publish a book? The answer is almost anyone. Why almost? Because only individuals who are underage, unless with parental legal guardian consent, or those with limited legal capacity, for example, legally incapacitated individuals, cannot publish a book. Do you need to establish a business entity to publish a book? The short answer is no. However, it depends on various factors, which you will learn about in the rest of this video. When might you need to set up a business entity for publishing your work? The simplest answer is when you want to make book writing and sales your primary source of income. You already know that you don't need to set up a business entity if you are employed and publishing a book is just a passion project. You also know when you might need to establish a business if you plan to sell your works. Now you will learn about other legal aspects of book publishing. Regardless of whether you choose to set up a business entity or not, your activity will be subject to taxation. You can publish a book through a publisher, which is generally the least complicated option from a tax perspective. You won't need to handle legal issues, accounting, or similar tasks. Depending on the contract, you will either receive payment for each sold copy or a fixed amount as agreed with the publisher. In this situation, you don't need to worry about setting up a business entity. The publisher's staff will handle tax reporting and issue the necessary tax forms. You will need to agree with the publisher whether the rights will be licensed or transferred. What are the differences? License. This is temporary and/or pertains to your specific work or all your works. After the specified period ends, you can sell the rights to that work to another publisher. Transfer of copyrights. This means you relinquish all rights to your work, and the publisher can reproduce, publish, or alter your work without your knowledge or consent. If you choose to self-publish and sell your book, the situation becomes more complex. The income you receive will be classified as personal income. You are responsible for accurately reporting your sales, so it is advisable to keep a record of your expenses and income. As a self-publisher, you act as both the creator and publisher. You do not transfer copyright or grant a license, as you would with a publisher. Income comes from the sale of copies. For small-scale distribution and sales, operating as an unregistered business may be sufficient. However, you also have other options, including starting your own business.